Don't think. Feel. It is like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory.
Fight Factory started 2008. So right now, we have 7 branches. First branch was in Tomas Morato, Quezon City. They opened up their second branch in Green Hills, San Juan. Then, in 2010, I started Jiu-Jitsu. So I met the owners of Fight Factory. Then afterwards, we became partners. So all of us are martial artists, so common passion. Open up my first branch, but it's their third, in BGC, Bonifacio Global City. Then after that, we opened in Maginhawa in Quezon City. Then in McKinley Hill, here, in Taguig also. Then the last one was in Congressional. Alam namin magbo-boom yung business eh. Kasi health is number one. You need to exercise, you need to take care of yourself, and one way of doing that is going to martial arts. We have boxing, Muay Thai, MMA, and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Jiu-Jitsu, we have a lot of black belts. So lahat sila experts talaga in Jiu-Jitsu. They've been doing it for a very long time. And they're my partners also. Some of them, they compete outside the country, most of the times to Japan. We also have HIIT, the high intensity trainings. So we always do that before we start the program. So for example, in boxing, before you do boxing, we do HIIT first, then stretching, then we start the program. So number one, when you go here, definitely you'll have fun. We have the best trainers in the industry. And number two, whatever your goal is, we promise you, we can guarantee you na matutulungan talaga namin kayo ma-reach yung goal niyo. Please follow us at Instagram, Fight Factory Manila, or in Facebook, Fight Factory Acacia Estates.